Why spend on pricey restaurant nachos when you can whip up delicious chicken nachos with fresh tomato salsa right at your home? For chicken marination, mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half teaspoon salt, 1/3 teaspoon ginger powder, 1/3 teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon onion salt, 1 teaspoon paprika powder and a few drops of lemon juice. Stir everything well to create a vibrant flavorful marination. Take 2 chicken breasts and pound it to an even thickness. This will help it to cook faster and ensures every bite is tender. Place the chicken in the marination and coat it well. Make sure every side is covered with the marination. Once your chicken is well marinated, pop it in the refrigerator for around 20 minutes or even up to an hour to let the chicken soak up all those spices for an even richer taste. Now let's make the tomato salsa. Grab 2 tomatoes, 1/4 of an onion, prefer white onion here, 2 cloves of garlic, half fresh jalapeno. Rub all these ingredients with olive oil to prevent burning. Preheat your oven to 450 degree Fahrenheit. Put these ingredients on broil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will take it out and flip everything. We will let it broil for 5 more minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the onions, garlic and jalapeno and add them to the chopper. We will broil the tomatoes for 10 more minutes until they are soft and well cooked. After 20 minutes, take out your tomatoes and peel off the tomato skin. Add the tomatoes to the chopper and include any juices from the tray. Toss in a handful of fresh cilantro, a few drops of lemon juice, just a touch to keep it balanced, half teaspoon salt and a pinch of sugar. We can adjust the salt later. Chop until you get a chunky, not too liquidy texture. Taste and adjust the salt if needed. Your tomato salsa is ready, so let's go back to our chicken. Heat a pan over medium heat and add the marinated chicken. Cook for 5 minutes on one side and cover it to lock in the moisture. While our chicken is cooking, let's prepare the nacho toppings. 1/4 of an onion, a handful of colored bell peppers, half jalapeno, some black olives, and I will also use cilantro for the garnishing. We will roughly chop everything in smaller pieces. I will also use a small tomato and remove the watery seeds to keep the nachos crispy. Let's check our chicken. It should be golden on one side, so flip it and cover it again to cook for 5 more minutes. After exactly 10 minutes, our chicken is fully cooked and we can remove it from the heat. Cut your chicken into bite-sized pieces. You can even keep the pieces small if you like smaller chunks of chicken. Now it's time to assemble the nachos. Spread a layer of tortilla chips. Add the chicken pieces. You can add as much chicken as you want. Then add a generous handful of shredded cheddar and Monterey Jack cheese. Now we will scatter the toppings. I am using onions, peppers, jalapenos, tomatoes and olives. You can also use green pepper if you have those. Now we will bake it at 425 degree Fahrenheit for 5 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Your chicken nachos are ready and bursting with flavors alongside that fresh tomato salsa. Garnish it with fresh cilantro and enjoy this easy crowd-pleasing dish at your home, and check out other recipes on my channel, and I will see you around in the next video.